minus sin power 5 minus x cos x by 5, 5 minus 1 by 5, I 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Second step, minus sin power 4x cos x by 5 plus 4 by 5 I3 apply same formula once again, but n value is 3, n value is 3 minus sin power 4x cos x by 5 plus 4 by 5, put n value 3 minus sin power 3 minus 1x cos x by 5 plus by n value 3. Next, 3 minus 1 by 3 I 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 minus sin power 4x cos x by 5 plus into minus 4 sin square x cos x by 15, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 2 8, 5 into 3 15, I1. Last step, replace this I1 minus sin power 4x cos x by 5 minus 4 sin square x cos x by 15 plus 8 by 15, 8 by 15 I0 value, I1 value, integral of sin x minus cos x minus cos x. Evaluate cos power nx and hence find integral cos power 4x dx and integral cos power 5x dx. Take the proof. Same steps. In equal to integral cos power nx dx. Separate one cos. Apply UV formula. Cos power n minus 1x u into integral b minus integral u dash integral cos x dx whole dx. Cos power n minus 1x integral of cos x equal to sin x మైనస్, ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి వినండి, ఇది ఒక్కటే మెయిన్ స్టెప్, తర్వాత అంతా సింప్లిఫికేషన్. u డాష్ ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ది పవర్ ఫంక్షన్, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఫంక్షన్ n ఇంటూ x పవర్ n మైనస్ 1, డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ది పవర్ ఫంక్షన్ n x power n minus 1, internal function derivative of cos x minus sin x, integral of cos x sin x dx. Write down n minus 1 cos power n minus 1 x sin x, minus into minus plus n minus 1 cos power n minus 2x sin square x dx. In the previous theorem we get a cos square in this place. Cos square equal to 1 minus sin square. So sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta, cos power n minus 1 x sin x plus n minus 1 cos power n minus 2x 1 minus cos square x dx. Multiply these two terms, cos power n minus 1 x sin x n minus 1, multiply with 1 cos power n minus 2x, multiply these two, bases are equal, add the powers, cos power n minus 2 plus 2 dx, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, this is in minus 2, this is in, cos power n minus 1 x sin x n minus 1 n minus 1 I n minus 2 minus in multiply with this one, cos power, therefore in equal to cos power n minus 1 x sin x plus n minus 1 in minus 2 minus n minus 1 in minus n minus 1 in plus n minus 1 in equal to cos power n minus 1 x sin x plus n minus 1 in minus 2. Take in common, 1 plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1, write this one as this, cos power n minus 1 x sin x n minus 1 in minus 2. Therefore in equal to into n becomes 2 by n cos power n minus 1 x sin x by n minus 1 by n in minus 2 in minus 2 n is even after successive reduction. If n is even after successive reduction, we get I0 equal to integral cos power 0x integral 1 dx x plus c. Second case, if n is odd after successive reduction, we get I1 equal to integral cos x dx sin x plus c. Tan power nx dx hence find integral tan power 4x dx integral tan power 5x dx Solution right now. In equal to integral tan power nx dx separate two tans. In previous theorems we separate one function, separate two tan functions, tan square. Next step, tan power n minus 2x tan square theta secant square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. We apply this formula, tan square theta secant square theta minus 1 multiply tan power n minus 2x secant square x dx minus tan power n minus 2x dx. We apply this formula. This is directly in minus 2. Write down. Tan power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2. In equal to tan power n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 if n is even after successive reduction, we get I0 equal to integral tan power 0x dx, integral 1 dx equal to x plus c. If after successive reduction we get I1 equal to 5x dx, tan power 5x dx equal to I5. So substitute 5. Tan power 5 minus 1 x by 5 minus 1 x by 5 minus 1 I 5 minus 2 5 minus 2 tan power 4x by 4 minus I3 again apply this formula where n value is 3 tan power 4x by 4 minus I3 tan power 3 minus 1 x by 3 minus 1 minus I 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So tan power 4x by 4 minus tan square x by 2 minus into minus plus I1 value is this one, log mod secant x plus c. Find I4 and I5, hence find I4 and I5 same as tan. IN equal to tan power nx dx, cot power nx dx, cot power n minus 2x cot square x dx. Separate two cots, 1 plus cot square theta cosecant square theta integral cot power n minus 2x cosecant square x minus 1 dx integral cot power n minus 2x cosecant square x dx minus integral cot power n minus 2x. All of you listen. Derivative of cot x, derivative of cot x minus cosecant square, but no minus, so take minus into minus. Write the second step, minus cot power n minus 2x minus cosecant square x dx minus in minus 2 derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. So there is no minus, there is plus symbol, split into two minuses. So this is f of x power n, this is f dash x. So minus cot power n minus 2 plus 1 n minus 2 plus 1 x by n minus 2 plus 1 minus in minus 2 in minus 2. Therefore in equal to minus cot power n minus 1 x cot power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 in minus 2. Case 1, integral cot power 0x integral 1 dx x plus c, that is I0 value. Second case, if n is odd, if n is odd,